Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to return Spectrum equipment in 2025. Whether you're canceling your service, upgrading, or switching providers, this guide will make the process super easy. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you gather all the equipments you receive from Spectrum. That includes modems, routers, cable box, remotes, and power cords. Missing items could result in a fee, so double check everything. Now, you have a fin return option in 2025. The option 1, UPS return. Take your equipment to any UPS store. You don't need a shipping label. Just bring a gear and tell them if it's a Spectrum. Your UPS will pack and ship you for free, and you will get received with tracking, which you should keep in this case. Option 2, FedEx return. In some areas allows FedEx returns. This process is the same, no label needed, and shipping is covered by Spectrum. Just confirm with the Spectrum support if FedEx is available in your area. The option 3, Spectrum store drop-off. You can also return your equipment at any Spectrum store. Walk in, hand over the devices, and ask for a receipt confirming your return. Option 4, home pickup, special cases. In limited situations like medical issue or no UPS nearby, you may qualify for a return kit or home pickup. Contact the Spectrum customer support and request if this meet the kit criteria. Once you return everything, you can confirm your return status by logging into your Spectrum account online or calling Spectrum customer support directly. And that's it. If this helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.